Last week, we shared a major IDO opportunity, and hopefully, as much as possible, we want our viewers to capitalize on these things. And if you were among those that did, you may have earned up to 780% in gains. Okay, but now that the coin in question has pumped, why am I talking about it again? Well, quite simply because those that didn't get in, I at least want you to be aware of this. It may be an opportunity again. It's still an early gem from our point of view. Take a look at this. At IDO, SOPH, SophiaVerse, the token, was 3 cents. That's $0.03. Now it's trading close to 23 cents, which is a 643% pump. And when I say that it's still an early altcoin gem opportunity, it's because this particular project is about to rock the crypto space. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. Best of luck, guys, if you choose to invest, but just remember, I'm not a financial or investment advisor. And so, of course, this video does not represent financial or investment advice. There is a lot happening in the news, and as I mentioned in a poll earlier today, we're going to be switching the order of the videos. So breaking news first as the first publication earlier in the day, and then the spotlight pieces, these more focused pieces on particular projects later in the day, typically early evening. But like I said, a lot is happening and we're endeavoring to bring you that breaking news. If you haven't checked out Cody's video from earlier in the day, check it out by clicking the card that's popping up now. Let's get into SophiaVerse here. And it actually went over none other than Hollywood major actor and slapping enthusiast Will Smith. It turns out that he couldn't resist the charm of the real Sophia Robot, and SophiaVerse by extension was also very appealing because, look, it's all about this futuristic metaverse that allows you to interact with your own personal Sophia as she grows with you and forms a unique personality. And it may sound a little bit eerie, almost a little bit unsettling, but this is the future in a lot of ways. And believe me, it is much, much more. It goes much, much deeper than just another AI gimmick. Because the next couple of sections are from a research perspective as far as what we're covering in this video. But if you want to know my honest opinion, I kind of hinted at the fact that it's a little bit strange. Stick around. I'll be covering that at the end of the video. But we'll get into the technicals first. For those of you that may not know about it, let me try to explain SophiaVerse to you here in the simplest possible way. Because honestly, without knowing what the project is about, you probably are not going to understand the potential of the SOPH or SOPH token, right? They're inextricably linked. SophiaVerse is an NFT and game-based marketplace for integrating games into the metaverse. So essentially a gaming platform, but it's supported by AI technology that seeks to enable human interaction with super intelligence, and it's all going to be facilitated by the SOPH utility token. Simply put, SophiaVerse is kind of like a whole game where you can teach Sophia, you can learn from her, and if you so choose, you can monetize your data through NFTs. So then imagine having your own unique Sophia AI companion that you can customize. You can also train them based on your preferences. And the best part, if you want, is you can trade and sell your Sophia's traits to others. And so in short, SophiaVerse brings in two of the most bullish crypto narratives: AI, artificial intelligence, plus Web3 gaming. They're fused together here for a super bullish project, which, as far as we're concerned, are going to be two major pillars, two major characteristics of not only crypto, but tech in general moving forward. And this is a project that's really been, from the outset, developed by world-renowned experts. We know that the AI crypto narrative has kind of cooled off. That's fair. But then why did SophiaVerse have such massive attention and catch so much hype recently? It's very simply because the SophiaVerse ecosystem has been developed by David Hanson, the creator of Sophia, which you probably know as the humanoid robot, and that's alongside Ben Goertzel, a cognitive scientist who developed the explosive AI blockchain project SingularityNET. So in fact, SingularityNET, Singularity DAO, and Hanson Robotics, they're all the partners together of SophiaVerse. So a super impressive, very high profile list of partners. And so even to say that the project is backed by successful leaders in the space, that is a massive understatement. I mean, all of these are rock stars backing, showing faith and confidence in this particular project. Okay, just before I tell you about the utility of SOPH, we first need to understand exactly what the SophiaVerse ecosystem constitutes. So that ecosystem includes, first of all, Sophia's AI lab, known as SAIL, S-A-I-L. This is a learning platform where users can interact with their own evolving Sophia and learn about AI programming. The ecosystem also includes Sophia's Age of Singularities, SOWs, and this is a multiplayer online game where users can join forces to fight for humanity and pave the way for a positive singularity. And then finally, the Sentience wallet. This is a secure wallet that allows users to store and manage their AGIX, SingularityNET, AGIX tokens. And by the way, SOPH staking is already live, and for certain pairs like ETH and BNB, the APR is as high as 159% and 379%. So now we can understand SOPH tokens and their utility, because unless a token has lots of utility in a functional ecosystem, it doesn't pump, even if that ecosystem continues to grow. You need that functionality, you need that utility. And so here, SOPH has 6 major utilities in the SophiaVerse ecosystem. SophiaVerse users can participate in quests, they can earn rewards and redeem them as SOPH tokens. They can buy and sell digital art with SOPH. Character upgrades of personalized Sophia in sale can be done only using SOPH. Users can also buy .ai domain names using SOPH. They can monetize their data in SOPH, and users can also code and put the code up for sale in Marketplace and trade it with SOPH. And so the entirety of the SophiaVerse ecosystem revolves around the SOPH token, which also means as the ecosystem becomes popular and grows, well, then the trading of SOPH is going to increase, and then hence SOPH has pretty high chances of going to the moon in the coming bull run. But the best insight into the project's true potential is going to be gleaned from studying the roadmap. And so here it is. So first of all, token launch, that was part of the first milestone event. And then after that, the next big thing is going to be the airdrop of SOPH tokens to SingularityNET community and first challenges. Milestone number 3 will involve the launch of the Guardian GUARD token and sale interactivity. And then during milestone number 5, the metaverse and new challenges are going to be released. And then the next 2 milestones will focus on even more developments. Is this a project with any major competition? Well, venture capitalists have been investing in this sector for a long time, AI, and especially AI at the convergence of cryptocurrency. And investor interest means that there is a big opportunity here. Some of the direct competitors to SophiaVerse include Altiverse, shown here, a direct competitor which is funded by Binance Labs. And another competitor is represented by Altered State Machine. It's going to be interesting to see how this segment evolves. I think it's safe to say there's a lot of potential in this space. As far as my personal opinion on not only the sector, but on SophiaVerse in particular, I think the project seems solid, especially when you consider the collaborations from these renowned AI developers and partnerships, world-class partnerships with Hanson Robotics and SingularityNET, who share the goal of course, open source and accessible artificial intelligence. And the utility of the token so far looks promising. It serves as an in-game currency, and more. And it's interesting to see how they're making AI fun and accessible for all ages and skill levels. It's kind of educational, right? The idea of cross-media and cross-game compatibility is itself very intriguing, at least to me. And their successful launch and $7 million in terms of market cap shows there's genuine interest in the project. Generally speaking, I am bullish on this whole SingularityNET ecosystem. We are fans of Ben Goertzel. Check out our other videos about SingularityNET, about AGIX, if you've not already. But generally, we are, and I am personally enthusiastic about this space. And so I think we're going to see a lot of potential continue to unfold here with this SophiaVerse project. That's my point of view. But as always, do your own research. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.